Hi everyone, it's Nectaria with Sophistication, and I wanted to share with you how I make my unicorn nap bath bombs. So after I put a bit of mix in, I kind of want to press down a bit, especially in the areas where I'm worried about sticking. So that horn and that tail. Then I'll keep adding in, and I poke some holes in with chopsticks to try and help my bath bomb float. And as you see, I kind of add more mix to those potential problem areas. I then put my plunger in, try and get it lined up, and I'm just gonna kind of squeeze that together to get my mix packed in. And I pack a lot, so then I put it on the table and I press down, although for many people, you don't need this step. Next, I take my spoon and I'm gonna just tap all around that bath bomb with a lot of focus on areas I'm concerned will stick. So that horn and that tail. You'll see me go back to that horn a lot. After I feel I've tapped enough, I'm going to tap and lift straight up to get rid of that base. And then I use a plunger to help push this through, although this isn't necessary. Finally, I am going to put a little bit of wax paper and cardboard or foam board on there, and that's just so I can freely move this around without disturbing my bath bomb. And I'm back to tapping a ton. So again, I'm hitting in those potential problem areas because I'm trying to release the bath bomb from the mold. And then I lightly tap while I lift up to reveal the bath bomb. Now here's another one that I made later that was with an uncolored mix that I then painted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.